Look at this, homies. See this beast right here? Built it completely with my own hands. The chassis, the suspension, everything.
All right, then.
And you know I couldn't just leave it bare, so I went ahead and built a whole custom body kit for it too. No pre-made store stuff, no expensive parts, just pure backyard engineering, bro.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it! Let's go!
All right, buckalas. First things first, we gotta get these front fenders sorted out. If we don't get the wide body look right on the front, the whole stance is gonna look goofy, no cap. Let's trim these pieces down and slap them on.
Hours later.
All right, boys. Now comes the scary part. It's time to start cutting and trimming this fresh piece to fit the chassis. One wrong move, and I'm gonna end up crying in the corner. No cap. Let's get the Dremel and start chopping. Pray for me, homies.
5 minutes later.
All right, guys, the hard part is officially done. We cut it, we trimmed it, we bent it into shape, and now it's finally time to mount these front fenders onto the main body. This is where the magic happens, bro. If everything lines up perfectly, this beast is gonna look absolutely insane. Let's bolt them on. Now that the front is locked in, it's time to secure the rear side fenders. But look, I know you guys don't want to sit through hours of me gluing and measuring, so I'm just gonna speed this whole process up for you. Trust me, nobody wants that boring yapping session. Hit that 5 times speed and let's cruise through this, homies. Wait, hold up, boys. My bad, I completely forgot to tell you earlier. Obviously, you gotta build the exact same setup for the other side, too. Don't go leaving your RC car looking like a one-sided monster. Just repeat the whole cutting and bending process for the opposite side, and you're good to go.
2,000 years later.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
And there you have it, guys. It's officially done. Look at this absolute beast now. The custom front and rear wide body fenders are locked in, and the stance is completely out of this world. We actually pulled it off. Pure backyard engineering at its finest. Drop a comment and let me know what you think of this DIY build, and I'll catch you homies in the next one. Peace out.